Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and we are a Milwaukee, Wisconsin-based rubber stamp company. We create photopolymer, digital, as well as custom red rubber stamps. Today we're going to be using one of our free digital stamps that we've had up on the website for the month of March of 2019. It was a little goat that I drew up, and basically you can just go to the website, download him. I printed him off on a sheet of paper. And then, because I don't have a die cut to use, I'm actually going to go ahead and use my brother's ScanNCut. And if you've never used a brother's ScanNCut before, they're super easy. Went ahead and printed it off. Right now you can see I just ran it through a scanner. So think about like if you're just going to scan an image or something like that. What it will do is find the lines just like a scanner would. And it'll come back and say, okay, here's what we found. And then what it does is it allows you to click on a little icon that says, great, here, do you want the outline? Do you want extra? So you can see the little circle, and it'll actually decide how it will follow the edges of a digital stamp and cut it out. I had it add an extra 0.04 around the image equally, so it'll have a perfect tiny little white edge all the way around these goats. I really like that because it just has that nice crisp when you color it in. It just looks beautiful. I love it. So you can see how nice it does cut right up against the image. A lot of my images, I draw the critters with lots of shaggy edges, or the dogs will have like fur. So that's what I really like about the Brothers ScanNCut, is that it will take into consideration all of my line art and then cut it out perfectly for you so that you don't have to worry about lining things up or anything like that, or fussy cutting. I know a lot of people sometimes will say that my art has a lot of jagged edges and can make fussy cutting a little bit more difficult. So that's why I really like my Brothers ScanNCut. If you're interested in learning more, I'll put more down below about the Brothers ScanNCut. I do have to say this is my favorite part of the Brothers ScanNCut, is when you take the main page away from the cut images and you can see just how cleanly the lines are. Look at that, perfect all the way around. Even like on the top of his head, it's got those little tufts, and you can see it figured out how to add just that little 0.04 all the way around, and they just look so cute and crisp. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Now the next piece we're going to do is I did pick some paper from a Hobby Lobby set that I got. You can see it's got some of the metallic in there. I really like it. I'm kind of in a pink color phase. My daughter absolutely loves pink, so I always try to make a lot of pink things. I am going to go ahead and color this guy in here, and I'm going to color him in with a gray. I think this one is a W1. Just a really light color. I like to build up with my Copic markers. I think that it's very satisfying to kind of start with the lightest color and then just kind of build up from there. So let's go ahead and get him all colored in. And then we'll add some shadows and some highlights. And a small trick, I have had a lot of people say that this is their first adventure maybe into digital stamps. If that is the case and you say, well, my printer's not perfect, you can see sometimes my toner will even smear just a hair. A lot of design team members that I've had have actually sent things off to Kinko's to get printed, because then it's solid on the paper and it's not going to bleed, and you maybe won't run into some of the issues you have maybe with personal printer toners. Just a suggestion, don't have to do it, but it's something that I know that design team members have done in the past. And I'm just going to draw some, because he's very cartoony, I'm just going to add in some dark shadows and just sort of around his belly, and then up in his neck, I think, so we can color in those flowers. And I do have a really pretty maroon color that I'm going to go ahead and use for the flowers. I know they're traditionally daisies, but I think I'm going to make them more maroon colored just so that they match the paper choice that I made. So let's go ahead and finish coloring this adorable little goat in. I am so happy with the way this little guy turned out. So cute. Alright, this is Mama Elephant. It's the In My Heart. I absolutely love this stamp set. I don't always stamp the kids, but I do love the sentiments. I like the fonts that they used. I just think they go really well with a lot of the designs that I have, because a lot of my images have very graphic or cartoony features to them, and I like this set because it's just very simple, and when I stamp it, it stamps very clean and easy. So I am a fan of Mama Elephant, and I do have a set that I just got. I'm so excited. It's called Mama Elephant, and it is the oh, it doesn't say the name of it on here. Well, it's the little panda bears. So I'm really excited about it because I absolutely love hashtag the panda, and so my plan is to make a hashtag the panda card very soon, so I'll be working on that. In the meantime, with my little goat here, I'm going to go ahead and get some of the foam risers out, and I'm going to put some, oh, you know what, I'm just going to glue them, I think. I don't know, I thought about foam risers, then, you know, I use a lot of them, and when you mail foam riser cards, they sometimes will cost more money to ship, and they also sometimes get ripped in the mail, so I think I'm going to go ahead and just glue his back so it'll make him stick permanently. Now, what I like about this card, it's very simple, super easy. The focus truly was, let me show you how to use the Brothers ScanNCut and a die cut, or I'm sorry, and a digital stamp, as well as the fact that you can create something so beautiful to send in the mail and not have to take a long time to work on it. This is just a really quick and easy card that you could make with almost any stamp set. And if you are a beginner, this is a great card. I highly suggest that you try it. Alright, let's take a look and see how he looks all finished up. Alright, I think he looks so cute. Well, I just want to take a moment and say thank you so much for watching our video. If you've never seen our stamps before, we are available at JessicaLynnOriginal.com. We create digital stamps, we create custom red rubber stamps for scrapbooking, card making, small business, big business, you name it. We also do professionally graded photopolymer stamps, which are made in the United States from professional materials in shops that respect copyright laws. All of our images are copyrighted, so we do ask that you please respect our stamps as well. But head on out to our website and pick this guy up today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you again, and have a great day.